Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 27th, 2022. We are going to talk about Chainlink today and see whether or not if Link is going to get a pump in its price. So welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. This is what I do. If you are new to the channel, I do price prediction without the confusion. I show you where price is anticipated to go, and then I follow back through and show you what really happened into the market, just to show you that you can actually do this for yourself. So if you all want to join me, join the team, join the community, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. All right, so check this out. I did a video in Chainlink on March the 10th, 2022. You guys can see it. It is still here on my chart right in front of you. And I was playing the weakness into the market in Chainlink. I was looking for the price to come down just a little bit. You guys can see, but the market hasn't even done it. The market has really sustained a lot of that weakness. The buyers stood up price right here around $12.65. So yeah, I didn't get this price prediction correct. I was anticipating the price to continue to go lower in Chainlink, and so far that hasn't happened. So this didn't go right. So if I were to get out the position now, you guys can see that the market in Chainlink is actually hitting our restriction area right here. And if I still suspect that Chainlink is going to go up, I need to cut the position now, because if I don't, then my losses will increase, and we don't want to do that. We want to make sure that we minimize the losses and let the winners run, right? That's what most everyone wants to do. So let me go ahead and cut this. This is 21.66% loss in that prediction. It goes that way. But check this out. We're going to get right back in position to instill that we get that money back from the competition and put it right back into our accounts. So check this out. Let's talk about this real quick, because one thing that we have seen, like I told you earlier, is that rather than us seeing the price in Chainlink come all the way down here to my horizontal line, right, $8.15, the buyers actually stood up price here. So we need to uplift this. We need to bring that line up closer to where the buyers are holding price. That's the basis. That is the foundation that we need to keep in line as we continue to see the market trade into the month of April, May, and June. As long as price holds $12.50, then Chainlink is going to continue to consolidate, and the probability of seeing market go higher is definitely on the table still. It's just that simple. So check this out. Let's see how we're looking in Chainlink though on a weekly time frame first, because I really don't want you all to think that the market in Chainlink is ready for a monumental, massive bullish run. I really don't think that that's on the chart. So I really want to put all of this price movement into context. I don't want you all to think that the price in Chainlink is going to hit $40, because there are some other areas of concern higher to where price currently is trading in the Chainlink that we definitely need to focus in on. And I'm going to show you all that on the chart. Okay, so let's look at this in Chainlink on a weekly time frame first. So you all can see right here from a weekly perspective, yeah, it looks stable. I mean, the market in Chainlink doesn't look massively bullish. It doesn't look massively weak. One thing that I was suspecting that the price in Chainlink was going to do was basically off of these two weekly price bars right here. Let me zoom in on it and let you all see these weekly price bars right here. The market should have continued to go down, but it didn't do it. This weekly price bar right here, the market buyers is showing us that they stood up price. This is the start to where the buyers confirmed that they was not letting price fall below $12.65, $12.50. This is the start. And you guys can see right now in this current weekly price bar that they're still controlling the price. So again, we're still anticipating that the market has a little bit more energy to continue to let this market go up as of where we are at right now. But like I said, I'm going to show you how high I think the market's going to go before we see the next induction of selling. Okay, so let's look at Chainlink on the 2 weeks time frame as well. We have 8 hours and 53 minutes left, and for, like I said, for us to go through the prior 2 weeks of us seeing the market go down in February the 28th, the start of that 2 weekly price bar, and now we're seeing a very widespread movement higher on this current 2 weekly price bar. Yeah, so actually we found the bottom right now. As far as we can tell, currently that is the bottom, $12.50. So let's look at Chainlink on a monthly time frame. So here we are. We got one more week left, 4 days and 9 hours left. And currently, given the amount of volume, given a very small spread. Yeah, the market doesn't look as weak as it did back in, what, 2 months ago, January and February timeframe, especially on this very wide monthly spread in May of 2021. The market in Chainlink is not really that volatile right now. So that's pretty good. So now, let me go ahead and switch this back over to the daily time frame and show you all where do I suspect the market is going to get hit with selling. And we already got a gauge. We can already pretty much tell how high the price can go, and it's going to be up here, right there around $17.25, possibly up here towards 18. That's the area that I'm looking at the sellers trying to push down Chainlink's price. We've already have seen indications to where they were successful. Like, look at these daily price bars right here. February the 16th, 17th, and 18th. Market had a little bit more opportunity to hit up here towards 18 back in February of this year. So be prepared for us to see selling occur around these two particular price levels. I'm just want to give you all a heads up as to being prepared, and you might want to take the profitability from that lane, because there's no guarantee that the market in Chainlink will have enough energy to come up here towards 20, but that would be in the second area. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you what I think. I think the market in Chainlink is going to continue to go up, but the first area of concern for me would be right here around $17.50 to 18. Okay, that's going to be our first area for us to take a profitability. Now you can see it's 14.58% profitability right there. Okay, 14.58. If we're able to maintain the strength, if the buyers continue to show us that they're standing up price, then we're going to continue to expect the market to go a lot higher. And the next area is going to be up here towards 20. So I'm going to bring it up here towards that $20 price. Okay, I'm looking for the market in Chainlink to go here towards 20, but that's only under the auspice of us continuing to see the buyers hold up price. They got to stand up, just like they stood up price at $12.50. The next area that I want to see the buyers stand up price would be here, $14.50, give or take. Okay, but since you already got confirmation that the buyers were willing to hold up price at $12.50, I'm going to lower the support area a little bit lower towards 14. So you all can see this right here. Okay, so let me extend this out a little bit further and show you all what my expectations are. I'm going to continue to play the strength into the market in Chainlink. I'm looking for the price to go up. I gave you two price targets. The first one's like $17.50 to $18. That's the first area. And then the second area is around $19.50 to $20. All right. So I've given you all my anticipation as to where I'm looking for price to go in Chainlink. And guess what? I'll leave the comment section open for everybody so that they can drop me their idea as to where they think Chainlink is going to go. So now it's your turn. Let me know. Drop me a comment so I can read it, so I can see what everyone's idea is about Chainlink and where price is going to go throughout the month of April. Looking forward to reading it. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.